Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to AICL campus. In this tutorial I will tell you how to activate your Windows 10 and Office 2016 and 19. So follow this procedure to activate your Windows. First of all, you need to open your web browser and type this website aicl.parks.pk and hit enter. After a few seconds the website will appear in front of you.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम
So
तमाम स्टूडेंट्स के लिए
first of all, you need to enter your username and password. To get username and password, click here to join now. So follow step 1, subscribe this channel. So it's compulsory to subscribe this channel first, because if you didn't, the description downloading link will not appear in your user panel. So subscribe it. So I have already subscribed it, so I didn't need to subscribe it again. Follow the step 2, create user account. So here is the simple form. Enter your full name. So I'm entering Azfar Khan. So Azfar 786. So password Azfar Khan 786@gmail.com. So hit the create user account. So wait for few seconds. So I have created the account. Go back to main page and enter your username and password and log in. So wait for few seconds to appear user panel in front of you. So here is the user panel. So you can see these buttons here. So click softwares. So here is the important software window. So click this KMS Pico Windows and Office Activator. So download it. Wait for few seconds to initialize your file. So here is the file has been initialized. So here is the download button, KMS 5.9 MB file. Click download button. The pop-up menu will appear. It will show where you want to save this file. So I am saving it in my documents folder in KMS folder. Okay. So wait for few seconds, the file has been downloading. Okay, the downloading is completed. Now let's check. So here is the file which is downloaded. So extract it. So here is the extracted file. Open this install folder. So here is the setup. So first of all, you need to close your antivirus. So here is my antivirus. Just close it and click here Defender, Windows Security. So click this. Okay. Okay, so I'm just running the setup. So I have installed Total Security antivirus in my computer. So I have just closed it, turn off it. So you need to close Windows Security also before starting this setup. So first of all, Windows Security, or you can enter Defender here. So here is the Windows Security. Open it. So it is necessary to turn off the protection. So manage setting. So here is the real-time protection, which is off. So if it is on, you need to off it. Okay, so just go and run this setup. Open. Wait for few seconds, the setup will appear on your screen. So here is the setup. Next, agree, next, just hit the next button and wait for OK. So allow it. So wait for few seconds. Okay, the KMS has been installed in my computer. So just go and find where it is installed. So in search, click KMS. So here is the KMS Pico. Hit it. Wait for a few seconds. So let's find where it is installed. Hit in search, click KMS. So here is the software. Just open it. Wait for a few seconds to appear the graphical user interface of KMS Pico. So here is the graphical user interface of KMS. So Windows and Office will get activated. You need to just click this red button. Wait for a few seconds.
Affirmative.
So the Windows is activated and your Office is also activated. So let's check whether our Windows is activated or not. So I'm going into PC. So that's my PC. Just properties. So Windows is activated, and let's check whether our Office is activated or not. Okay, I'm opening MS Word to check whether it is activated or not. So here is the Word. Just click on accounts. So you can see product is activated. So I'm also can update this software because it is activated. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe this channel and share with your friends. Thank you.